when should I repot my plant? We often get asked exactly that question. When should I repot my houseplant? Or how do I repot my houseplant? Well, today I'm going to show you how to know when you need to and just how easy it really is. Now, for starters, just because you've bought a plant, don't assume that it's going to be happy in the pot that it came in. You never know how long it's been there. At Clay, if you buy a plant and an accompanying pot from us, it will already be potted into a suitably sized pot. So let's talk about exactly how to check the roots of your plant. All you need to do is gently remove the plant from the pot that it's in and then have a look. In this plant, you can see already that the roots are really starting to get quite congested around the edge of the pot, so it is definitely time to repot it. But top tip, don't think that using a way bigger pot is going to save you time in the long run. I have learnt this from bitter experience, trust me. Too much unused compost around the edge of a pot just stays damp and ultimately can encourage rot and fungus. Instead, aim to go for a pot that's about 2 to 4 centimetres larger in diameter each time, just like this one. Perfect. So the best time to be repotting your houseplant is generally in spring because it's going to be spring loaded with vigour to really get going, and it'll happily get stuck into all of that lovely new fresh compost. Now, a top tip, you can actually use your old plastic pot when you're repotting into a larger one. All you need to do is set it into your new pot and fill around the edge with compost like I've done here. Then simply lift the plastic pot out and voila, you have a perfectly sized indentation that you can set your new plant in, and it's really easy to repot it that way. Think of it this way, you wouldn't squeeze all of this lovely green growth into a tiny space, so look after the roots of your houseplants just as much as the top growth, and your houseplants will thank you for it. As ever, we love hearing from you on this channel, so make sure to leave us a comment down below. If you liked this video, then hit the like button. If you haven't already, then make sure to hit subscribe and also hit the bell icon, because that way you'll be notified when we post our next video.